Hello guys, and welcome to another video. As you can see, I have won another car of Copart, and this time my car has only cost me £372. I bought 2005 BMW 3rd Series, and now let's go through it and see what I purchased. Okay, so this is the car. As you can see, it clearly says on the screen non-drive. Let's look over pictures. Here's the damage. So it's got a cracked bumper, a little bit of damage to a bonnet, and a little bit of damage to a wing, which is actually hardly seen in this photo. Overall, a very, very clean car. Quite a couple of few minor issues. Yeah, I've actually went and picked that car up last night. So now guys, I will take you to the car and we can have a look at what I bought. Hello guys, so just as I said a second ago, it's a lovely day here in the UK. It's sunny outside. So I'm right now heading in a Copart Audi to show you the new Copart build that I've purchased. The video on the Audi will be coming out shortly. Unfortunately, due to really busy schedule, I weren't able to record anything for you guys, but video will be out shortly. Now let's get back to a BMW. Right, so here it is, the £370 Copart BMW. Let me just get it outside of the garage and I will show you around. Hello guys, so here is a £370 BMW. Let's just do a quick walk around. Here's the car. All in all, really nice car. It hasn't actually got too many cosmetic issues apart from the actual damage. The car doesn't really look like it has been previously hit in front or anything like that, because all the gaps are absolutely perfect. Everything is right where it should be. Now we come across to actual damage. So here's the damage. The bumper is cracked, the headlight is cracked, bonnet is a little bit dented, and the wing is a little bit dented. The bonnet I'll be pulling out, putting a little bit of filler on it, repainting it. The wing, I'll be doing exactly the same thing to it. It's not really damaged at all. Might even be able to pull that out by hand, if not using a couple of bits and bobs. Right, so let's try to get the car started, should we? Alright, so here's your casual BMW interior. In this case, it's actually really clean. This guy's a 2-litre diesel, comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. And yeah, let's give it a start. Starts right up with no problem. This car's got no faults whatsoever apart from the light fault, because the right turning light up the front isn't really functioning for some reason. Probably just needs to be changed. But yeah, the car has only done 115,000 miles, which for this sort of car is absolutely nothing. As you can see, the interior is fairly clean. It's actually lovely. I was really happy when I went to pick up a car, because obviously this car, like all my other cars, I have bought sight unseen. So yeah, let me take you for a little spin, guys. Alright, so the issues that I have found with the car at the moment. So number one issue, one of the belts is squeaking. I did drive it back home the other day, and actually once the car warms up it does stop, but it still means that it must need to tighten up a little bit in order to actually stop the noise. So obviously the number one issue is this damage, which I have already explained. The secondary issues, the dent over here, which will need to be tapped down a little bit then with a little bit of filling, a little bit of paint, it should go. Also, for some reason this door doesn't open up, so you can do it manually, open it and close it, but unfortunately you can't do it using the key, which is a pain if you want someone to get in there and you've just opened the car. Apart from that, it just needs a little wash and the car is ready to go up for sale very, very shortly. Unfortunately, I couldn't, guys, take you for a drive as I haven't actually got my tripod with me. But yeah, here's what you can get for £360 of Copart. I will be doing a video of how I'm fixing this car shortly, so stay tuned.